Hey guys, what it do, baby? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a video. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I organize my month and also how I try my best to stay focused and do what needs to be done. Okay, so let me explain what I have going on here. So right here is my calendar. I get to write on it with my little markers right here, which is super duper cool. And then I have my whiteboard. I know it's kind of small, but I want a bigger one, but not yet. So far it has been doing what it needs to do, so I feel like I don't need a bigger one yet, but I want a bigger one. I want like it's connected, like a big calendar and a big thingy thing right next to it. And then up here I have my what's it called again, guys? My index card. So it's different colors because I'm somebody, I love colors. So yeah, it's different colors. What I do with it, oh got it, but guys, my friend gave me this. She went on a trip to St. Lucia and then she brought this back for me. Thank you, Shanice. But yeah, so right here is basically my daily task, not daily task, but what I need to do for the day. So before I go to bed, I write down what I need to do for the next day, put it right here, and then wake up the next morning and get this done. So I'm gonna run you guys down through how I do all this. I left this blank because I know it's probably like today right now recording this video, it's the 5th of January, and I know like it's kind of blank, but let me explain to you guys. So I have this book right here, right? It's a planner. Let me show if you guys could see if it's written on here, but it's a planner, and I got this from the dollar store for like, how much? I think it was like $3 or $4, not sure. But anyways, in here you can plan for the week, right? So I basically have all my weekly plans, like everything I need to do. And the way I go about planning my week is write down what I want to accomplish, like my main goals, So my main goals is well, basically more like my incomes, but goals, but incomes. So my incomes right now, I'm gonna just give you guys two because you guys know two of them. So my incomes, forex and YouTube, right? So with forex, okay, great. I'm gonna just yeah, I'm not gonna give you all my plans because people are so messy these days, and I'm not about to do that ish, you understand? So anyways, so my goal for YouTube is basically to be monetized and also get more followers, get my watch hours up. So YouTube is kind of linked to Instagram in the way I see it, so I can get my followers to go over to my YouTube and get my YouTube subscribers go over to my Instagram following, vice versa. Basically I just said the same thing. But yeah, so which means I have to be active both on Instagram and YouTube. So which means I wrote down everything I need to do. It is like for the week, so I need to upload at least 2 videos a week. I need to upload at least let's see, about 4 pictures for Instagram, and then I need to upload at least a video or 2 for Instagram, just to, you know, get some more engagement and stuff like that on my Instagram, so people could like my vibe and then, you know, move on to YouTube or like vice versa, basically. So I feel like I'm talking so much, guys, so much. But yeah, so I have a list of all what I need to do. So basically I sorted out, okay, YouTube, what I need to do, that Instagram, what I need to do, that forex, what I need to do, that, and then it's like, okay, so YouTube, record 2 videos. Then I look at the week and I'm like, okay, well, I could record a video today, then I'll edit it tonight, and then tomorrow upload it. Then probably record a video for Instagram one time, since I'm all glammed up, so might as well just record a video one time, you understand? So I don't know if you'll understand, but let me know in the comments if you'll understand. But yeah, so that's basically how I plan it out. And then I usually have like appointments, I have bills, and sometimes my friends ask me to hang out, but now it's COVID, so I'm just stuck home which kind of sucks. But anyways, so right here I have like a color coordination thing. So the blue is activities and uploads, green is bills, and pink is appointments. So these are the 3 colors. So hold on, I have to write January right here. January, I think it's like that, it's spelling, you know, 2020 uno, right? So then, do I have any uploads? Yes, I do have uploads. So sometimes I cross it out, like cross out the days, so I'm not kind of lost. I know what day is what. So today is Tuesday, and then what I needed to do, basically recording a video is like an activity. So my activity is to record IG and YouTube, and then I put upload here because I want to upload a video on Tuesday. And then Thursday, guys, I already sorted it out on this book because I needed to get stuff done. So so Wednesday I need to upload a video, and then I have another video to record, so I'm gonna record it again. I'm gonna record tomorrow. Record YT. So basically that's 2 things. I have to upload a video and I have to record a video for YouTube one time. And then Thursday I have my braids to remove, so I'm gonna put remove braids, and then I have to post on my story on Instagram, because remember I did say that I want to be more active on Instagram. So I have like post IG, and then Friday I have to upload and then post another video on IG and post some pictures on IG. Now I have everything in details in that book, because in the book has more space where I can be more in depth. Like for example, post a picture on IG with my natural hair. So but here I don't have that much space, so in the book I have to write it down and then go over here. So basically Friday is post IG, and then I have to upload on YouTube, sorry, YT. So basically this is how my week is going. Do I have any bills? Yes, I have bills, rent on the 1st, always. What other bills do I have to pay? I have my internet on the 26th. So guys, the 26th is coming, so if you want to help me pay my bill, my PayPal is in the description, so make sure you'll just send me money to pay my bill for the internet. It doesn't matter how much, but whatever you send, thank you very much, I appreciate it. But yeah, I do have some other bills, but I'm not gonna put my business out there for you guys. That's private. I'm just showing you all the main stuff, what you'll do know. As for HFX Forex, I'm actually looking for more people to join, let you guys know what's up, because I mean the pandemic is still on. You could still make money from your home on your phone. Like, baby, what are you doing? Like, honestly, what are you doing? Hit me up. I'm gonna put you on, you feel me? Message me on Instagram at Empress Roshi, and I got you, period. But yeah, so what I have to do for not Forex, but right now I'm switching over from Forex to HFX, high frequency foreign exchange. Forex is basically foreign exchange, but HFX is more like a cash trap kind of thing. Like, it's a bit quicker. So yeah, I suggest that you guys join HFX and hit me up. Let's do some cash trapping. But anyways guys, so on this side basically this is a list of what I need to do for YouTube. I actually wrote that down because I have to create my banner. Guys, if you know anybody that can create banners, hit me up, let me know, because I need somebody to create my banner for me, or else if I do try, it wouldn't be as good. But I mean, I could try, but I will try. But let me know if anybody could do banners. I need to record videos, edit videos, upload videos. That's basically what I need to do for YouTube. Yeah, so this is basically how I organize myself, how I try to organize myself. But the only thing is, I just need something to be a little bit more motivated, like a little more, like give me that push to actually just go and do it, or give me that energy basically. But apart from that, I have everything figured out in terms of how to get myself organized and whatnot. But that's basically all I need. That's basically all I do. I break it down step by step, write down everything I want to achieve, like the main things. Then under that certain thing is like, okay, what do I need to do to get this goal? Write down everything I need to do, and then day by day, like, it's just cross out things on the list basically. So basically cross out things on the list. Like I said, YouTube, basically main goal, get monetized. What do I need to do in order for me to get monetized? Upload twice a week, create my banner, create a good thumbnail, fix up my description. Yeah, so then you're like, okay, so tomorrow what do I have to do? Because you already have this sorted out. So like tomorrow you could just be like, okay, so tomorrow I have nothing to do. I'm going to try to make my banner. Even if it takes you the whole day, at least you know, okay, you try to make your banner. You just choose 2 things from that list that you know that will help you. Okay, record a video and create a banner. So it's like, okay, tomorrow on your to-do list, you write it down, you sit down and you literally do what you need to do, and then cross it out your list. And then this is how you basically get closer to achieving your goals, if you understand what I'm saying. But if you guys want to talk more about that, let me know it down in the comments. Oh my gosh, guys, I have to create a vision board. I did a vision board last year. It's on my YouTube channel, you could go check it out. And guys, I have accomplished so much from it, though I've started a lot of stuff, but I haven't completed it. So this year my goal is to actually complete it. But I have completed a couple of stuff, but some stuff I started and I haven't completed, but I'm going to complete it this year, God spare. So anyways guys, this is it. This is the end of my video. Hope you guys like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Like, let me know, like, everything I ask, make sure you let me know down in the comment section. And if you like more videos like that, let me know, because I actually enjoyed organizing stuff like that. And yeah, bye.